ค่ะ Welcome to Marinade's kitchen. Today let's make soy sauce chicken. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
Today's recipe is a popular Cantonese dish. It's very tasty and simple to make. Now let's get started.
Here all the ingredients. The exact amount is in a description box.
Let's start by cleaning the chicken and removing everything inside. Then cut some ginger slices and cut off the ends from the green onions. Pat the chicken dry. Mix some dark soy sauce and light soy sauce together. And massage the sauce into both sides of the chicken. Let's make our broth. Add water, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, Shaohsing cooking wine, sugar, star anise, green onion, ginger, and chicken powder. Mix everything together and add the chicken. When it's boiling, hang the chicken to empty the cold water from inside the chicken. Now cover it and turn down the heat and let it cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, flip it and cook for 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, let's check the chicken. Make a hole in the dye, and if the liquid is clear, then it's done. If the liquid is still red, then keep cooking for another 5 minutes. Remove from the heat and let it rest for 50 minutes. When the chicken is roasted, let's cut it. Cut the chicken in half and spread everything apart. Drizzle the sauce over the chicken and it's done.
Wow, looks so good. Time for taste test. It looks so good. It's very juicy. It's very juicy. Taste is savory and little sweet. It's very delicious. It tastes very perfect. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。